Your background verification will be failed 100% if you don't show necessary information in the background verification form. Some of our followers, they didn't show their past experience due to very short durations. They may work in less than 1 month or 20 days, and there might be a chance they absconded from organization. Because of very short duration, they are not showing in the background verification form, but they track based on UAN service history and they will raise the question. Now point is, your background verification will not be green, it will be red if you don't show the information. The reason is they will simply say you hided some information. You may say, yes, there are short duration, I hide it. Now I have proper release letter, I will show to you. That tricks will not work because the reason they will say you hided some information in your background verification. So we are rejecting your background verification. Even though if you have proper release letter, if you don't show short duration in the background verification form, definitely your background verification will go negative direction. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.